Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Divya from Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I'm going to discuss about the heart as a pumping system. Introduction. The human heart is four-chambered muscular organ. The human heart is very strong and is capable of pumping blood up to 30 feet distance. An average heart beats maximum of 70 to 80 beats per minute and is considered healthy. The heart is called a double pump because each side pumps blood to a different circulation. Key functions of the heart as a pump system: generating pressure to move blood, maintaining blood flow, regulating blood volume, ensuring unidirectional flow, coordinating with the vascular system, integrating with endocrine systems. Anatomy of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity. It is divided into four chambers: the left and right atria, the left and right ventricles. The heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the cells, removing waste products. Architectural features of the heart. The heart is a unique architecture with thick walls composed of cardiac muscle tissue. Walls within the heart ensure that blood flows in a correct direction, preventing backflow. The coronary arteries supply the heart muscle with oxygen-rich blood, supporting its continuous function. Chambers of the heart, right atrium. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium. This blood is under low pressure, right ventricle. Blood passes into the right ventricle, which contracts to pump blood to the lungs, where the blood is oxygenated. Left atrium, oxygenated blood from the lungs enters the left atrium. This blood is still under low pressure. Left ventricle, oxygenated blood enters the large left ventricle, which contracts very hard to push blood into the artery. The left ventricle is very thick and generates a high pressure to pump the blood around the whole body. Electrical signals, ECG monitoring, and heart related issues. Introduction to ECG monitoring. ECG refers electrocardiography is a method used to record the electrical activity of the heart. ECG monitoring helps in diagnosing various heart conditions by analyzing the pattern of electrical signals. It is a non-invasive procedure that provides valuable information about the heart's health. ECG monitoring is crucial in detecting abnormalities in heart's rhythm and structure. Basics of electrical signals in the heart. The heart's electrical system controls the heartbeat by producing and conducting electrical signals. The synovial node generates the electrical impulse, which then travels through the atria and ventricles. The ECG graphically represents these electrical signals as waves and intervals. Components of an ECG. ECG uses a grid system to visualize the electrical activity of our heart. The grid has two axes, horizontal and vertical. The P wave represents atrial depolarization. The QRS complex signifies ventricular depolarization. The T wave indicates ventricular repolarization. Importance of ECG monitoring. ECG monitoring is crucial for early detection of heart conditions. It helps in monitoring the effectiveness of heart medications and treatments. ECG can aid in risk assessment for cardiovascular events. Future of ECG monitoring. Advancements in wearable ECG devices allow continuous monitoring outside healthcare settings. Artificial intelligence is being used to analyze ECG data for more accurate and faster diagnosis. ECG monitoring is evolving to become more accessible and integrated into personalized healthcare. Heart-related issues. Heart disease is a term that covers conditions affecting the heart structure and function. Common types of heart disease include coronary artery disease, heart failure. Risk factors for heart disease include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, and diabetes. Reasons for blockage in blood vessels. Generally, the blood flow is obstructed due to external factors like calcium deposition, plaque formation, or the presence of dead cells that participate near the walls. All these are credited to improper diet and lack of exercise. Obesity. Reasons for blockage: obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking, high cholesterol, aging, alcoholic beverage, blood clots, chronic kidney disease, heart attack, and etc. Foods that clear the blocked blood vessels: omega-3 fatty acids, garlic, pomegranate, turmeric, vitamin C. How can we reduce this blockage naturally? Do not smoke or use tobacco, limit or do not drink alcohol, control blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes, exercise and stay active, maintain a healthy weight, eat a low fat, low salt diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, reduce and manage stress, get 7 to 9 hours sleep. Thank you for watching the complete video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.